Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists, aproko, anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column aproko saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for there. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Ajebor salayo ikiare o ajebor ikiare o ajebor salayo re ajebor apiko me o iwo were no ajebor salayo apiko me were ne o apike kekebe iwo were ne o ajebor salayo me o ikiare o ajebor kada so me si salayo re o Ajebor ni rare o, ibi jaru gajo, Ajebor salayo me o, Ajebor ni rare o, wenu salayo me, apiko me o, iwago, wakwene me o, Ajebor salayo me o, apiko me. Ajebor, don't start. Saga continue. Time when you are here, atitit, we joke here, abi. You want to see the other side of me about with this man. Keyboard list. Ajebor ni rare ìyàwó yóò láti ìgò mẹ́rin pé ní ìyàwó sí wọn náà Ajebor salayo kẹ̀kẹ́ bẹ̀bẹ̀ sẹ́gbìn yàgẹ̀rì Italia ibo náà ti mọ́tò náà o. Okay, let's go there. Also go pay. Ajebor àpò ẹ̀gbọ́n àrí. Odo mama gbon ma isi na me o ma ba Ajebor wa we ti ringo ogida ringo one chance Ajebor nera mi o we ri ni amia oya ere na la sieku ringo one chance ringo with your change oya na ego market use ringo one with your change ego market ringo one chance with your change. Yeah, Ajebor, uwe wami amini yane o. Wedo gata dazo masiesi uki. Ozenu we kase were edo we magi yere. Ajebor guna feni wenya ni me aye we ni yanu de. Kekebe, sit down ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to Umenmwan Talk Show. If this is your first time, don't hesitate to press and go and enter church. You understand, man? Sit on the front seat. You understand? Buy your front ticket and sit down. Okay, now let me use my soundtrack. Ajebor saga continue. When I told you are my stepson, where am I don't know you. Ajebor is my wife. It's my latest wife now. So Ajebor is my stepson. Obi understand me now. You know what? No more glass. You was spending your worry. Any boy who before I was simple, let me first shoot this boy first. Yes. I got money on live video. You want to you will spin. I'll give so. One. A boy, but no more glass. You when I pull a way. Oh God, I do my drink. Yes, so my people are greeting now with love. This is from Victor, the Umenmwan, one of the universe, aka the social media queen, the social media kubana, the social media no more. No one. I just do my drink. How are you? Yes. Ajebor. Now the boy.
Because on can say can I get away me? They can bring a come out in public or wherever. I don't even know who they give that guy the information. You know, understand? But I won't tell that guy anywhere they get that information, you have to do your own checkup first.
I don't know how well.
And secondly, the person where you they talk about, you get family, you get dignity, you get your respect. And they see what they call, I don't know, because I'm not into all this. And they see what they call
Bros, you don't
saga, they call them and so forth.
Bros, you don't do into all this. If you want group, you will let us use your group and we'll make you group. You understand? You don't do into all this. You understand? Because the reason why they support Ajebor, because people are bed of the same feather flocks together. If you want to make us still bring your own matter come out, make us bring your own story come out, I will still bring your own story come out so that you will still blow. You understand? Because you want to make name. You understand? Continue. I go answer
so
you.
Now I won't go give you my own point of view. You understand me? Now I can tell you now so. You know why? Because I can't find out, say, we Africa, mostly we Nigerians, all what we do is how to fall another man's down, how to condemn another man, how to destroy another man's home. Home where you say, man, they struggle every day by day, they struggle to build up. Somebody will just do one side, just try to end everything because of, I don't know, whether not for self-interest or selfishness, or illiteracy, hypocrisy, I don't know what I will call them at all. So waiting me at the tell now here and I not pass anything about my own friend. Somebody I know very, very well, we've even eaten in the same table. Who are the talk of? Are the talk of Ajebor one of Germany. You know? Aramiyahu or RFV in Germany. He's a guy I know quite well. Since all these days I just see for TV, for everything. I just put on YouTube everywhere, full. I don't just want to call the guy. I don't want to call the guy name at all. You know, they hear me, so I don't want to call the guy name. And they see for YouTube how somebody just come out, they try to, you know, bring somebody around, they bring a come out in public or wherever. I don't even know who they give that guy the information. You know, understand? But I want to tell that guy, anywhere they get that information, you have to do your own checkup first. You understand me, so? And secondly, the person where you they talk about, you get family, you get dignity, you get your respect, you get people where they follow and people where, you know, no matter how you go talk bad of marriage, we human people always they get who don't like you and who not like you. You don't understand me, so? But for you as a man, just because of program, one try to bring down another person struggle, another person, so let me tell you one thing. Now which person house clean? You were still talk about this guy. Is your own clear? No, give me that answer. Is your own clear? I don't know whether your own clear because maybe somebody they say your own clear. Maybe you talk of somebody else. But we don't forget. The day when your own rain will fall, I pray you see somebody who will give you an umbrella. Because I want to tell you one thing. Who they do today, what you say tomorrow, not they tomorrow. When it comes, that's what they call law of karma. I always talk about law of karma. When you go jam, you go eat, you go work, go bring you come back. I swear to God, no amortiguation. They look at the Spanish, they call amortiguation. No day. It will bring you anyhow.
Exactly like the one where they happen to
Ajebor. No matter the lifestyle this man have been, no matter the life where don't feel live before Ajebor, no
just
matter
the talk.
it don't concern you at all. Now your personal life be that. They know how you want to live. They know how you want to do the thing. They know how you want to solve them. Bet me. I know her very well. Look me very well. I know a character. I know everything about her. In fact, when I see all this video and I see the video, the guy they repeat them every day by day, I look at myself and say, what? A man like you? You will from family tomorrow. I don't know whether you don't get or you never get. Just imagine somebody else just did somewhere, just they try to bring you down every day. But what do you gain? What do you gain? that somebody give you millions, say carry million, destroy somebody. You don't want to tell that person, no. Carry your million, they go. Or we all so we get hungry. So when it comes to money, we know they know our brothers again. But then why we swap your teme? Why would they always talk on teme?
Lario, this guy with the talk. We wear glass like say ghost. Apollo the worry ghost. Omuge the job in Apollo. When I win Apollo logo. You understand? Never born allow a backbone who are in who wanna work at Ajebor. Why you was a fire? Why Ajebor are atitit? Eho when you can't be winning your way. Amy can't be winning your way. Hobby can't be winning your way. But Ajebor are atitit. Who were ye me again? My marathon. Why Ajebor are ye who were ye me that one. Ajebor be a ganon you were. You get a bed. Who were ye me with marathon? Who I wish a trauma. Or time no way, bros. No more get the yao. We na polo whatever we. Or time me no way na we answer. When a man leak a secret to what they would have provoked or a son what. You understand? Oh, I understand, say, or me the way. Uga home, we know what way she when we are so way. Why Ajebor you winning Namari, we are Haji. Why Ajebor we are doesn't want to see in what we be a gayowa or where you were, who we are Gayopiana. We had the walking yet, whatever we do walking. Why Ajebor will be a ganon you wake a kebe. We are bring out TV and kiss me. We are Gaji. Unwaya barrier yak papico. We are Gaji, me no watana. Or go with the judge. Or go we want in your own side of the story. You know how to in your own side of the story. I won't down. I won't go my see. No my gown or USA. Bugagaji. When I pull of wine in our way, you only what time I will. It's a short message anywhere you know. When no piano more get the yard when one glass of yaw in our on malaria. Understand? The man got about this going work because Uman say, a man say, oh, worry. But the 2 hours no get it. Let not have no leave. I give a cone, no one, no billing when we hear. Ajebor we are Kayago. If we do not Ajebor we are channel egg. We want to see Ajebor we be a Gregani, and we are channel egg. Come on, get back on my phone. Nothing you. Now, Moses Erabo, regarding Lava. Moses Erabo, another one does happen. Moses, weke umila king with Wavaya war. Time while we marry one naira before I come and tell you the truth. Unless I say you want bribe me, I will collect the bribe and I will still tell you the truth. You understand me now? Et Moses vient quoi? Il vient Italo high. Moses il veut doser. Let me bring the picture out. Let me bring the picture out. Moses no I don't know. When we were not guilty, in passé police station. God. God. Moses, you can never go free, scot-free. With all this, you will not be here. If I must allow it. This new generational prophetatiti. Hello? Yeah, go. Okay. No checking. No checking. Moses Erabo. Let me bring your picture where you do. Now, this is Moses Erabo. Moses Erabo ya wakana hina. Ekinani ya evana dona oma post the picture now. A year ago, almost close to 2 years now. Beware of him. He is a scamming people. I know him. I know of one Mrs. Joyce in Italy. He scammed her. He scammed her of 600 euro. Please don't order anything from him. Please beware of him. He's a scammer. Then Moses, Obe na yana be post away again. Only you one. Under 2 days now, 4 people don't come out of which you scam them. 4 people, 4 women don't come out of you scamming them. So how are you going to defend all this allegation labeled against you? Say you not be scammer, which ain't true. You to why down your hole. Why down your hole? You are making a Moses do that we marry our innocent women, frauding our innocent women, telling them saying you will continue in Nigeria, whereas I'm moving up by Nigeria, using that opportunity to be collecting money from them. Human head, human nyash. Whereas Moses or me are going to blocking your number. Any one or to change the number. Like in Moses do the European Moses Arabo. Hello? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. You you're shaking. Okay. Many people will be calling for Moses matter. Hello? 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 You know this speaker? Talk to me. Okay, you need hook up. How old are you? 37. Where are you? Which country are you? Huh? You the shame. Talk clear now. Which one you dey talk for some months? I mean, you not serious. Not use me play. Okay, you dated this 30, waiting. 30, 37. You did Germany. What will be your name? Edit. So, how many children you get? 3 children, 37. But you fast too. Let me see. Your children could reach like 9 before you stop. No, which kind of time? Who want to marry you when you're not born again? Who want to go help you to take care of 3 children when you not go born for that person? You're not the born again. You the family where you go take care of the 2 children when you born. Which one be later? Nothing is teaching. So you can't expect person like me now come marry you with 3 children. You know, born for me. You're the blow. You're the blow. They go. Eh. so talk well. Now me I give you. Let's me and you connect you now. Sharp. Don't dey waste time. I get better, reasonable people. See, me, I tell you, not me pursue you, but no, go first build relationship first. Now from clap, the entire dance. You understand? Once you don't go into the relationship, before you go born 67, you don't go know. Every week now you go dey born. You go dey born like my brother. A year you get 3 children. Okay, no wahala. For Germany, abi, you get document. You dey work. Okay, you dey work. Yeah, no wahala. No wahala. I'll give you person. You understand? Better person. Which side you dey for Germany? Okay, no problem. Wahala, ciao. No wahala. As you do now, people will like you. They will still call you. You will send me your picture. Me, I see your picture. Whether your full picture not go to send. Not go send me half. I don't know whether you be crippled now. I cannot let you be crippled. You understand? Uh-huh. No shaking. But you still work on your character. You understand? Because my reasonable man, I'll give you, not give you any harm. I'm going to use the play bottle away. You feel me, so? Where you come from? Where you come from? For Benin? Where? Muslim wood. Can I be a Muslim? Okay, okay now, no problem. So if my sister, God, I don't catch you. Hey, who I go give you? He go spend money for me, tire. So you, my sister, don't even know. I don't meet you. You don't come. So you they look me since then. You just born, you know the call. You know, you tell me say, brother, me, my number now. I don't know. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Okay, that's a nice one. All right, man. Ciao, ciao. Yeah. Hello. What's up, man? Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, my amazing people, we don't come to the end of
yeah.
this video. Una say
I don't
wetin
speaker.
Umenmwan talk
I
about
don't
this
speaker. I don't
video.
speaker.
Anyway,
They
I go
like me. I
leave
don't
una make
speaker.
una judge this video. Make una comment, talk about
I
wetin una feel
don't.
about this video. And see you all in our next video. Please do not forget to leave your comment, share this video, and give us your thumbs up. See you all in our next video.
5,500.
Bye-bye.
Oya, what's mobile yo? Ah, PJ Ogunegun, Moses, 5,500 boy, wait, hold on. 5,500. On a toasté.
Okay, my amazing people, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You see what happened in the video. You see what Umenmwan said. Anyway, you drop your comment and tell us what you think or what you feel about the video. See you all in our next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you and bye.